Welcome back to our channel today. We're diving into one of Chile's most iconic street foods, the completo. This Chilean version of a hot dog is packed with flavor, and there are some fascinating, lesser-known facts about it that I bet you didn't know. So, get ready to explore the delicious and sometimes surprising world of completo. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a completo? Essentially, it's a Chilean-style hot dog that's far more elaborate than the typical American version. While it's built around a classic sausage in a bun, the real magic lies in the toppings. It's usually topped with mashed avocado, mayonnaise, tomato, and sometimes even sauerkraut or other creative ingredients. You might think that the completo is a modern invention, but surprisingly, its roots go way back. It was first introduced in the early 20th century, and the dish is said to have been inspired by the American hot dog. However, Chileans quickly adapted it to their own tastes, adding the signature creamy avocado and a heap of mayo. Completo is more than just a snack in Chile. It's an essential part of the local food culture. People eat it at all hours of the day, from casual street vendors to celebrations. Completo is often present at family gatherings, barbecues, and even sporting events. It's a symbol of Chile's rich culinary identity, offering a delicious blend of flavors that are distinctly Chilean. While the traditional completo is already quite impressive, the dish has many variations depending on where you are in Chile. For example, there's the Completo Italiano, a favorite among locals. This version is topped with a colorful combination of avocado, representing green, tomato, representing red, and mayonnaise, representing white, mimicking the colors of the Italian flag. Some places offer even more creative takes on the completo, adding ingredients like bacon, fried onions, or even hard-boiled eggs. There are also regional variations where locals might pile on sauerkraut, olives, or even different sauces. The completo is truly a customizable dish. As Chileans began to embrace completo as part of their street food scene, its popularity only grew. From food trucks to family-owned stands, completo is everywhere, and it's not uncommon to see people enjoying one while walking through the streets. It's often referred to as a Chilean hamburger, but I would say it's much more than that. You might be wondering, how is a completo different from a regular hot dog? While both are served in buns with sausages, the key differences lie in the toppings and the way they're prepared. A hot dog is usually simpler, with just mustard and ketchup, but completo takes it up a notch with a heap of creamy avocado, mayonnaise, and tomato. In Chile, it's said that no summer barbecue is complete without a stack of completo being served. It's the ultimate comfort food, and it has even become a favorite late-night snack after a night out. You can find completo vendors on almost every corner, and it's the kind of food that's perfect for sharing with friends and family. As Chilean cuisine has gained more international recognition, the completo has started making waves outside of Chile as well. You can now find Chilean food festivals or South American eateries around the world that offer their own takes on completo, bringing this delicious dish to a global audience. Believe it or not, Completo actually offers a surprising range of health benefits, particularly from its key ingredient, avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins, so when paired with the hearty sausage and fresh veggies, Completo becomes a satisfying, nutrient-packed meal. Beyond being just a tasty treat, Completo holds an interesting place in Chile's history. The dish became particularly popular during times of economic hardship, providing a low-cost, filling meal that could be enjoyed by everyone, regardless of class. Over time, it grew into a national comfort food that was loved by all Chileans. What makes Completo even more fascinating is the culture that surrounds it. The way people eat their Completo is almost like a ritual. You've got to get that perfect bite of creamy avocado, crisp sausage, and tangy mayo all in one go. And as with any street food, there's always that personal touch of how you customize it. When friends and family gather for a celebration, Completo often takes center stage. It's the perfect dish for a casual get-together, and many Chileans share the tradition of preparing and eating Completo as a group. The act of making and enjoying Completo together builds a sense of community and shared enjoyment. Completo has truly cemented its place as an essential part of Chile's food scene. It's not just a meal, but a cultural experience, full of flavors that reflect Chile's passion for good food, family, and tradition. No visit to Chile would be complete without tasting this iconic dish. So, whether you're at a family gathering, a festival, or even on a weekend getaway in South Africa, one thing's for sure: the braai is an experience you'll never forget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing food adventures from around the world.